Now let's review a specific type of development, career development. The word career can have several different meanings. It can refer to an individual's work history, the different jobs and positions they've held throughout their lives. It can also refer to the sequence of jobs within a single organization. A career in management, for example, might start with assistant manager, then store manager, then district manager, and so on. The sequence can also be referred to as a career. The third definition is most relevant to us in this course. Careers can also be defined as mobility within an organization. This allows us to include lateral moves, downward moves, sabbaticals, and other temporary assignments as part of someone's career. Career development is a formal, planned process that allows organizations to meet their own development needs for the future by addressing individual employees' development goals. Companies can benefit from helping their employees prepare for the future. This process involves career planning and career management. Career planning happens at the individual level and helps employees become more aware of their SWOT, of their strengths, weaknesses, and the opportunities and threats that exist in their environment. It also involves creating development goals and making a plan for how those goals will be achieved. Career management, on the other hand, happens at the organizational level and involves the creation, implementation, and monitoring of career plans.